Rihanna? Is julle reg vir die werkwoord speletjie? Om te dans in Sepedi is go bina. So as ek sê bina, dan wil ek hê julle moet dans. En om te sing in Sepedi is go opela. So wanneer ek sê opela, wil ek hê julle moet sing. Hier gaan ons.
Sepedi daarop.
Bina. Opela. Bina. Opela. Baie mooi. Nou gaan ons 'n woord bysit. Om te spring in Sepedi is go tlola. So wanneer ek sê tlola, wil ek hê julle moet spring. Is julle reg? Ja! Hier gaan ons.
Sepedi daarop.
Bina. Opela. Tlola. Baie mooi. Nou gaan ons 'n woord bysit. Om te praat in Sepedi is go bolela. So wanneer ek sê bolela, wil ek hê julle moet praat. Is julle reg? Hier gaan ons.
Sepedi daarop.
Bina. Opela. Tlola. Bolela. Dit was baie mooi. Nou gaan ons dit weer doen, maar baie vinnig. Is julle reg? Ja! Hier gaan ons.
Sepedi daarop.
Bina. Opela. Tlola. Bolela. Bina. Opela. Tlola. Bolela. Let's quickly take a look at the board game. First, you roll out the game mat. Then, attach the verb wheel onto the background. It needs to be nice and loose in order to spin easily. Next, fold and tear the perforated sheets to make 3 packs of cards. Red for vocabulary, yellow for phrases, and blue for themes. Then, just follow the rules and have fun. Remember, you can keep adding vocabulary, phrases, and themes to the game as the students progress. So what makes this board game special? Not only can it be used as a revision tool, but also as an assessment tool. It incorporates total physical response, and there is no limit to adding new vocabulary. Finally, you will see that the 4 levels of the board game correspond with the 40 lessons of the syllabus. In other words, every level of the game represents 10 lessons of the syllabus. Once the students reach lesson 10 in the syllabus, they can start playing the board game and start revising the language learned. And that's it! You are now ready to facilitate these lessons. We hope that you have found this training video useful. For more information or technical support, email us at info@abutisyllabus.com. From the Abuti team, we'll see you soon. Happy teaching!
Goodbye.